We are in the Lock Tavern, Camden. So this is a venue that the East London Pub Company took over about 6 months ago. That was the point that we met Bradley from the East London Pub Company.
A great venue, probably one of my favourites out of the whole group, and a venue which has got such rich heritage and history, very big on the music scene.
Some of the artists that have played their first gigs here are Adele, Amy Winehouse, I think Franz Ferdinand. I mean, it's just an incredible place to be part of.
The quality of the sound system can often be overlooked. What we wanted to do was to create a space that was going to be for up-and-coming artists and bands and people to be able to really use that space better and to have a really good quality sound system and lighting rig in there as well.
Something that can offer good performances is pretty essential.
We just brought out a new line of speakers, the M8i.
It's a phenomenal box for what it can do in a pretty small format.
And the B14i subwoofer.
B14i was fantastic, built in understage, fills this room probably slightly too much.
James again later on came to us and said, hey, there's this fantastic venue. It's very high-end, very interesting, very new.
A different kettle of fish to the Lock here. Very, very high-end offering and something quite special for the area around there.
The original gun was set up and built for all the servicemen and women that worked in the artillery factories for the Tower of London. Music is really, really important. It's really, really important at those various different times of the day.
Because they'll open at lunchtime and do a lunch service for people working around there, and then they have live or DJ mode where it's the main rig comes up, it changes the mood and the vibe of the space.
We were able to sort of upscale from just M8i's to T20i, which is rocking, absolutely rocking in the venue.
And to B14i's, because again, there was a sofa, it fits under the sofa, it sounds fat, you put two of them together, it sounds fatter, and it's amazing in that space.
James at Flipside has been phenomenal. I understood what I wanted to deliver, but he's been able to take what my brief was and sort of make it happen.
It's an amazing install and really happy to have been part of it.
I'm extremely proud of the work we've done at both venues. The gun is a jewel in the crown for Flipside. I'm very proud of the relationship we've got with East London Pub Company as well.
I've got people from all over the music scene who are contacting me and going, oh my God, I went and listened to so-and-so, it was just incredible, like, how have you got it to sound so good?